Here's how to add another Instagram account. Now here you can see I have my iPhone as well as my Android, and I'm on my primary account. If you wanted to go in and add another account just to this same app but on your phone, I'll show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to do on, again, your iPhone or Android is to tap on your profile button at the bottom right. After you've done that, tap on the three lines at the top right. And then scroll down to the bottom. You can see at the bottom, add account. Just tap on add account on, again, your iPhone or Android. And you can see it says log into an existing account. Of course, this is if you've already created one, or you can hit create a new account. If you tap in log into an existing one, it'll just pop up with the ability to hit use another profile. And then you'll essentially just log in to your username and password. I don't know why it's kind of glitching out on that one. There we go. Now, if you go back out of here, another option is to hit create a new account. And then essentially it'll go through the process of creating the username. It'll suggest some really random one, but you can always delete that out and put in something else that you want. Keep in mind, it has to be new and not taken by anyone else on Instagram. And then you can always create that new account. Now, after you've done all of this, if you want to seamlessly switch between accounts, I'll show you how to do that. All you're going to do, I find the easiest way to do it, is double tap on the profile at the bottom right. And then once you do that, sometimes double tap. Let's instead press and hold. Sometimes it just works pressing and holding, and you can switch the account. Again, try double tapping it. If it doesn't work, press and hold and tap on the other account. And just like that, you'll be able to switch from one account to the other. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.